Welcome back, students. It's going to be a quick one today. We're just going to review this skill, finding fractions on a number line. I think I said this before, but this is one that really trips my students up, usually because of how it's drawn. If we were to draw this as a tape strip, students wouldn't have a problem with it. But the way it's drawn on a number line can trip students up and have them get one more or one less than they're supposed to. So as you're looking at this strip, as you're looking at this number line rather, I want you to imagine that it is a tape strip. Imagine that it is a tape strip. And if we extend these lines here, you'll see that it's a tape strip broken up into pieces. And what we count is not the lines, but the spaces in between. How many spaces is this one hole cut up into? And the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This hole is divided up into 8 equal parts. So my denominator is 8 pieces. And you can get that same number by looking at just the number line and counting the spaces. The problems arise when students just count the lines. If you count the lines, you'll only get 7. But we want to count these pieces and say, all right, how many pieces do I have to get to a whole? And then to figure out how many pieces I have, or my numerator here, I need to count over how many spaces from 0. 1, 2. I have 2 pieces here, right? I could shade this part in because I have that part up to here where my arrow is. I have 2 pieces and there are 8 in the whole. So my fraction is 2/8. Let's try it again over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count our spaces first, and there's 5 spaces, which again is different from the lines. We'd only have 4 lines, but we're counting those spaces. How many pieces does it take to get from here to here? And then we're going to count over from 0 to get to my arrow. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces. 4 pieces out of the 5 pieces, just like we would in a tape strip. Down here, 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, and I have gone all the way up to 2 pieces, 1, 2 pieces out of 3 pieces for the answer 2/3. Ooh, here there's a bunch of them, but it's the exact same process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10 to get to that 1. Notice again, I'm counting those spaces, not the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting my hops between 0 and 1 to get to this arrow, I've counted 9 pieces. Be really careful as you're doing this because it's not tricky once you've got the idea in your head and you're thinking about what is a fraction. But if you're rushing through these, you can make mistakes. Double check these, do this practice. Good luck. I know you can do this one.